This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Dreams during the sleep cycle. Dreams occur in any of the phases of sleep. Nonetheless, the most concise, clear, vivid, and memorable dreams are observed in the last phase of sleep, known as the rapid eye movement, REM sleep. Sleep cycle and the corresponding influence of each cycle on dreams. Stage 1. Transition to sleep. This stage is short-lived, lasting for about 5 minutes. It is a non-REM sleep in which eyes move slowly, muscle activity diminishes, and one can be easily awakened. Dreams at this stage are phenomenological to falling into a trance. Stage 2. Light sleep. This is the very initial stage of actual sleep, lasting for about 20 minutes. Reduced body temperatures, slow heart rate, and the stopping of eye movement mark it. The light sleep stage is also a non-REM sleep, in which one can be awakened without much effort since the body at this stage prepares itself to enter into deep sleep. Dreams at this stage take the same form of falling into a trance as in the first stage of sleep, though there is an increased tendency to fall into a trance at this stage. Stage 3. Deep sleep. This marks the initial phase of deep sleep, in which it is difficult to awaken someone. If one is awakened at this phase, she would feel mixed up for several minutes. Deep sleep is marked by relaxed muscles, reduced body temperature, and the immune system's repairing of the cognitive domain. This also is a non-REM sleep, and dreams at this stage begin to take a concise and clear shape before the eyes of the dreamer. Stage 4. More intense deep sleep. This is the deepest phase of one's sleep. Brain activity is greatly reduced, and much of the blood flow is directed toward restoring physical strength in the muscles rather than the brain. It is very difficult to awaken someone at this stage of sleep. Deep sleep is responsible for refreshing one after sleep. This is also a non-REM sleep, and dreams are clear and vivid at this stage. REM sleep, rapid eye movement. At this stage, many vivid and memorable dreams take place. REM sleep is characterized by fast, shallow, and irregular breathing, immobility of muscles, and rapid eye movement. Heart activity and blood pressure consequently heighten. REM sleep begins approximately 80 minutes after one falls asleep. With the repetition of the sleep cycles, so easy does it become for the sleeper to get to REM sleep, thus the prevalence of dreams during the wee hours of the night. Stages 2 to REM sleep repeat themselves throughout the night. Sleep cycles repeat themselves several times per night. This explains why people have more than one dream. A very short REM sleep characterizes the first sleep cycle, but toward morning, REM sleep is prolonged, explaining the reason why most people claim to have had only one dream in a whole night's sleep, because they can only remember those dreams which did occur closer toward the morning when they were just about to wake up. Thus, the inability to call a dream into remembrance should not nullify the occurrence of the dream. Of essence, this clearly indicates that the only phase in which the most vivid, clear, concise, and memorable dreams occur is the REM sleep. This essay on dreams and sleep cycle was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.